Hey guys, what's up? My name is Erica and welcome back to another video. You are about 8 to 10 minutes away from having your life completely and utterly changed. Today's topic, the laws of attraction. If you guys have heard of them, great. If you have not, even better. So simply put, the laws of attraction are a pseudoscience. I don't know if you guys know what pseudoscience is, but here's the definition of pseudoscience. Boom. Simply put, the laws of attraction. The law of attraction is the theory that what you think is what you get, or what you put out into the universe is what you will receive. Like attracts like. For example, if you put out positive energy and positive vibrations out to the universe, you will receive that back. That is the basic idea behind the law of attraction. Now, there are a lot of other things surrounding the law of attraction, but that's basically the general gist of it. I have been using the law of attraction for probably about 5 years now. I wanted to share with you guys my tips and tricks for the law of attraction and how it has worked in my life. Be sure to stay for the entirety of this video, as I am going to be sharing a bunch of great tips and tricks about how to get the law of attraction to work in your life. I have been doing this and seriously it has changed my life, and I'm not even kidding when I say that. It really truly has. So to begin, I feel like a school teacher. I should get my glasses out. All change begins with beliefs and thoughts. Our beliefs and our thoughts are really the only thing that we have going for us right now. The past doesn't really exist, and neither does the future. The present is all we have, and the law of attraction is all about that. It's all about using our thoughts to our advantage and using them to get exactly what we desire. Everything begins with our thoughts, and that is why it's so important to be aware and to take our thoughts to our advantage and really make them work for us and make them work in the way that where we want to see ourselves. There are tons of success stories surrounding the law of attraction and how it works, and also I can even speak to the law of attraction working for me personally. Every time that I've used it and actually fully believed in it and really committed to it, it has worked out for me every single freaking time. So I have been in a relationship for almost 5 years now with my very loving boyfriend. This sounds crazy, but I attribute me being with him to the law of attraction. I'll never forget this. I remember going to the beach with a friend, and I remember standing by the water, and I closed my eyes like this, and I remember standing there and actually asking the universe. I was like, universe, you know what? I am ready for my life partner. I am ready for them to come into my life. I remember saying that in my head and having my eyes closed, and then I kid you not, I met Jeremy probably about a week and a half after that. Fast forward 5 years later and we're still happily together, and yeah, that is one example of the law of attraction working for me, and seriously, it was unreal. Like, I still think about that all the time, and I'm like, dang, like that actually worked so well. These are the different ways that you need to use the law of attraction. Now, be sure to actually follow these things, because the law of attraction, it is sticky in the fact that you do have to do certain things in order for this to work. So tip number 1 is identify your goals and be specific with your goals. The universe is just like us. If you have a thought in your head, I don't know what you're thinking. Be specific with your goals. The universe isn't able to read between the lines and be like, oh, well, you know, Erica said this, she's thinking this goal, I'm actually going to interpret it this way. Like, no. If you want a car, you need to be specific about what kind of car you want. Say the color, say if it has an aux cord in it, say if it has air conditioning that actually works. So be specific with your goals, identify what you want to bring into your life. I personally use a manifestation / law of attraction journal. She is silver, I love her. The more detail, the more effective this is going to work for you. Because again, there's going to be less miscommunication between your asks and what you have delivered to you. Tip number 2 is gratitude. Being grateful is another part of the law of attraction actually working. We can always ask and we can always say, I want this, I want that, I desire this, I desire that. That's fine. You're able to look at yourself right now in this moment, close your eyes and list off 5 things that you are grateful for. Dang, you are going to get this to work for you. The law of attraction really heavily relies on gratitudes. Now, the reason being is because you need to have a high vibration. Now again, high vibration equals high positive mindset. You know, you're thinking good, you're feeling good. You are going to be attracting that same energy level. You're going to be attracting the positive things in your life. Gratitude is one of the best ways to raise your vibration. Every single day when I wake up, I will open up my journal and I will write down 3 different things that I am grateful for. Ooh, hello. 3 different things that I am grateful for, and they can be big, they can be small, they can be whatever, but I always do this, and holy smokes, it makes such a huge difference in my day. If I am looking at my life and I'm being grateful, I'm going to be more open to receiving the positive things in my life, and I'm also going to be shutting out those negative energies, those negative opportunities. I am focused on the positive is coming to me, I am being positive. You know, it's a beautiful interchangeable relationship here. Even if you don't want to do the rest of these things, I would highly recommend doing these gratitudes. They've changed my life personally. It's just a way to remember to be happy and present in the current moment. Tip number 3, affirmations. If you don't know what an affirmation is, let me tell you. So an affirmation is what you write down what you want in a present tense. Present tense, that is the piece that you really need to remember here. Writing down your affirmations in the present tense is what is going to bring you that next step into getting what you want. Write an affirmation about that. So an example for being more healthy, being more active in your life. I am so thankful and happy that I work out every day, that I'm so healthy, I feel so good about myself, I love my body. That is a really good example of an affirmation. It's, you know, you're specific and you're saying that what your desire is, you already have. In the present tense, you're like, yo, I am active, I am healthy, I do exercise daily, like that is like what I do. When you write it down like that, oh my gosh, you are actually tricking your mind into believing that that's what you already do. Now, it sounds trippy, I know. A little piece of you begins to start to believe that. Now, when you believe that, you act on it. It does begin to become a reality, and you're going to start to close that gap. And over time, that gap will close, and then eventually, you will have what you want. And it's crazy, but it works. Your thoughts, your words, your actions, those all make up your reality. If you really think about it, the past and the future do not exist. So the only way to actually get what you want is by believing in your present self that you already have what it is that you desire. It can be a quick little jot on your iPhone notes and just say like, I'm so happy, I'm so grateful that I'm so self-confident, I'm so happy, I'm so grateful that I am so active and I work out every day, and anything you want. So affirmations, again, really important. 4th tip I have for you guys is creating a vision/dream board. So these are so, first of all, fun to make, and second of all, really effective in helping you manifest what you want in your life. A vision/mood board is a collection, kind of like a collage of these different visuals that are representative of your dream life, because it really helps you visualize what your dream life is wanting to be. So this hand. I have one as my phone screensaver as well as my computer screensaver. So every time I open up my computer or every time I look at my phone, I will see this dream board and I'm reminded of my desires, I'm reminded of my goals, I'm reminded of my dreams. It's just like a little touch on my subconscious to remind me of what I'm working towards and what I truly desire. You can make them really easily on Canva. They have some great collages and it's totally free. And if you're struggling for photos, you can use photos of yourself, experiences that you've had in the past that will trigger kind of a memory or a thought or a feeling that you want to manifest on. And then you can also use Pinterest images and just make a whole collage there. So yeah, if you guys want to see more of these kinds of videos, again, this is my very first one talking about the law of attraction, talking about manifestation kind of tips and tricks. Please do give this video a big thumbs up so I do know that you guys enjoyed it and you want to see more of this kind of stuff. This is a challenge for you guys. Comment down below an affirmation that you have for yourselves. Write it down in the comments below, affirm it, manifest it, dream it, believe it, live it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot. That's all I have to say. Thank you for helping my dreams become a reality. Have a great day. Have a great week. And I will see you all next Sunday. Peace out for now. Bye.